We were looking for a solution that was different to everything else that we used biomaterial-wise when it came to substructures for implant retained bridges, single crowns, multiple units. Traditionally, you would use metals. You'd use your titaniums or you'd use zirconia, which are very hard, don't have much give. Every patient is different, every solution is different. And unfortunately, what you would generally have is you would have a lack of a spectrum to go across depending on what solution was appropriate for the patient. Traditional situations where we could have done with something else would have generally been patients who have had very hard bites, because if they're not functioning properly and they're not chewing properly, the implants will fail, and that's where the substructure comes into play. We started using JUVORA about 18 months ago. JUVORA is a good solution because it's got an almost identical modulus of elasticity to bone. It's got a similar resonance as well, which means that it acts as a shock absorber for the superstructure that goes over the top of the implants. So it makes sure that the patient feels comfortable and the implants stay secure. It was very easy to incorporate JUVORA into the CAD/CAM workflow. It's an easily machinable material as a polymer. Very easy to maintain, excellent tool life from the machine. If you've got a milling machine, it's very easy to actually manufacture these prostheses. They come in different sizes of blanks as well, so depending on whatever solution you have, whether it's 10mm bridges that you need or 20mm bridges that you need, you've got a blank that will actually fit that solution. JUVORA has enabled us to provide solutions that are better tailored to patients, depending on their clinical solutions. Instead of just being bottlenecked into metal substructures or ceramic substructures, it's allowed us to provide individual solutions for individual patients. The DWX50 and JUVORA has enabled us to control our workflow a lot better. The product is easily machinable in the DWX50. It's actually built for materials like this. It's airflow, so specifically for polymers, it makes sure that the material is absolutely cooled as we're machining it, and it works fantastic.